and I'm talking with you today about my book. It's called Engineer Your Celebrity: How to Use Visibility Marketing to Stand Out from the Crowd and Achieve an Explosion of Growth for Your Business. So what I discuss in the book is the difference between traditional marketing and celebrity marketing. So traditional marketing means that, you go out to people and then you inform them about your business. You let them know about your products and your services, and you provide information, and then afterwards you ask for the sale. It also involves providing free educational content, right? You're educating the audience, with business building tips, with free information, with articles, with social media quotes that are inspirational. And that's basically how traditional marketing works. So it's how-to articles and all this information that's free and provided in educating people. On the other hand, celebrity marketing means that you impress people by letting them know about your success. Your audience sees you online and is fascinated with what you are all about. They want to work with you. You get in front of people by speaking, by writing books, by writing articles, by having a podcast, by being a guest on other people's podcasts. And afterwards, you celebrate this success by posting about it, by sharing about, what happened on, social media, by writing blog posts, by sending out emails. It's all about the experience that you're informing people. You increase your visibility. The main goal of celebrity marketing is to attract clients and not to chase them. You attract clients by showcasing your expertise in a field. Customers want to work with you because you are a well-known influencer in your industry. So to learn more and see what it's all about, go on over to Amazon and get the book. Thank you.